Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have with us Honor 7X, which will be launched very soon in India, and it is expected to be priced under 15 or under 20,000 Indian rupees. The exact pricing is not known yet. And in this video we're going to do the unboxing, show you all the contents that you get, and this is not a retail package. I believe this is a special reviewers package, and the one you will be getting will be different from this package, but the box content should be more or less same. So this is how the packaging for this particular special box which we got from Honor looks like. So you can see Honor 7X with hashtag IOOI all in caps. So the first thing is a smartphone, I believe, and we did the unboxing earlier as well because we wanted to take some samples from the camera. And you get this dual camera placement on the back with fingerprint sensor. It has metal construction, and unlike the recently launched 9i where the camera placement was vertical, here it is horizontal. And again you get this full view kind of a display in the front. And we will be talking more about the device in a minute. Let's just check out other contents that we get in this particular box. So I don't think there's anything in this compartment. And here is one more box. Let's see what is there. So you have a SIM ejector pen. Then you get this USB to micro USB cable, I believe. It has a micro USB port, yes. There you go. And finally the charging adapter, which is an output rating of 2.5 volts. So besides this, you should also get a manual in the final retail package. Now these are the contents that you should expect while ordering Honor 7X smartphone. So here is the Honor 7X smartphone. Talking first about the design and build quality. The phone feels sturdy in hand. It has this unibody metal construction. The phone weighs around 165 grams and it measures 7.6 mm in thickness. In the front you get an 8-megapixel camera followed by this 5.9-inch display which is being protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Below the display you have Honor branding. On the back side you get this dual camera placement with fingerprint sensor. On the right side you have the power button and the volume rocker. On the top you have a secondary mic for noise cancellation. On the bottom side a micro USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack. And on the left side you get this hybrid SIM card case. Overall the phone feels sturdy in hand. It has good in hand feel. It does not feel very heavy and at the same time gives you a sturdy feel. Moving on to the display, you get this 5.93-inch display which has a resolution of 1080x2160 pixels, and as mentioned it is being protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. We didn't face any issues while navigating on the display. The touch response is really nice. The color reproduction is also nice. And in terms of brightness, you can see it is a decently bright display. Not the maximum or not the most brightest display that we have seen. But the color reproduction is nice, and overall the display is good enough for most of the users. You can consume a lot of multimedia content, you can play games, you can watch videos or movies on this big display, and it gives you an immersive experience as well. Moving on, let's talk about the camera. So you get this 16 plus 2 megapixel camera on the back, and camera has always been a highlight for Honor devices. And you get this 8 megapixel front facing camera. So let me just show you some sample images that we have captured using the front and the back camera. So this was taken in complete darkness during night time. The only light source was the buildings. And again you can see these were taken in somewhat low light conditions. This was taken inside a building, and you can see the level of details even after zooming in. And this was taken in food mode. And you can see these images. Just to be sure, this was the in-flight food that we got. So let me just show you some more samples and a sample from the front camera as well of the Honor 7X. So here's a selfie sample, and you can see the selfie works well. The front camera has good quality details, and image looks nice in terms of color reproduction and overall quality. One more sample. So the front camera is working well, the back camera works really well. This is a portrait mode, and you can see the only object that is being highlighted is this Bulbasaur, and the background has been blurred out. One more sample from the back camera to give you an idea about the level of details it captures. So even after zooming in, you can clearly read the text written on the Doctor Strange toys. We have a lot of toys in our office. And again some more samples. So the camera seems to be working well on Honor 7X. Now talking about other features, the phone is being powered by company's own Kirin 659 processor, which is an octa-core processor, and you might get multiple variants in terms of storage and RAM on this device, but we are having a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage device with us. It comes with EMUI 5.1. In terms of multitasking, you can run a lot of applications without any issues. The device can also handle games, but we will be testing that out later on. This is just the unboxing and first look at the smartphone. It does support micro SD card, so you can expand the storage as well. In terms of fingerprint sensor and other features, the fingerprint sensor present on the back works really well without any issues, and when it comes to other features, the phone is being powered by a 3340 mAh battery, which should give this device a battery life of 1 day with moderate to heavy usage. We have the black variant. It will also come in blue and gold variants. And this is pretty much it about the first look and unboxing of Honor 7X, which will be launched in India in December. So stay tuned for the final review, and we will be waiting for the pricing. If it is priced correctly, it can be a good option for the users. Honor 6X was one of the most sold and one of the best phones under 15,000 price segment. So let's see what will be the pricing of Honor 7X, and we will try to compare it with Honor 6X as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.